Hi, this is Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, and today I want to talk about div and span. These are two HTML tags that have very minimal effect in the browser. They're used all the time because they don't hardly do anything at all in the browser. People can use them and control what a particular div is doing or a particular span is doing with JavaScript and CSS. So you're going to see divs a lot in your code, and you're going to see spans a lot in your code, but they're kind of they're intentionally meaningless. A div is a division of your text. It's a block level division. So like a paragraph is a block, or a heading 1 is a block. Div will mark a block of text. You can also nest other blocks inside of a div block. So you might have a div that covers half your page. It just starts way at the top and ends in the middle. Span is similar, but span is an inline element. So inside of a block, you'd be writing some text and then open a span and have some text and close the span and have some more text. Okay, so that's how a div and a span work, and I want you to see them and I want you to type them. Okay, so here we are in our what is HTML document, and I'm going to, let's see, you can see it over here. It's open. I'm just going to put a div around these two, around this paragraph. Div. You know what, I'll put it around several paragraphs. Close div. Alright, so I've got div and close div. That's a division. It's block level. Has some other blocks in it. Alright, I'm going to save that, go over here and refresh. Okay, nothing happened. Right, so the idea is that you can make a div and call it, give it a name and then do whatever you want to with it, with CSS or with JavaScript or both. All right, another example. Let's see. How about we put a span around the word world for no particular reason. Close span. Okay, so you can see that's an inline element. It's in the middle of this paragraph block. No change. All right, so a span of text, a division is a block of text, a div, a span, and mostly they are used as handles for JavaScript and CSS. You will see them all the time in your code. All right, thank you.